a great choice today with the 2017 Audi A6. The large executive favorite, the Audi A6, remains a cornerstone of the market. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, universal garage door opener, climate control automatic, electronic stability control, compass, security system, fog lights, rear window defroster, power windows, trip computer, heated front seats, CD player. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.